Jay, and I'm from New York City in the United States of America. I learned about Parla Clinic from a friend, and I called Fayed, who happens to be the general manager of Parla Clinic, and he was very warm and welcoming. He explained everything that I was going to undergo for me over the phone. We were communicating via WhatsApp. He gave me all the registration for the clinic, the doctors and everything. I was actually quite impressed, you know. I communicated with him on all my fears and, you know, my insecurities about my teeth from before. Now, when I got here on the very first day, you know, they did everything possible to make me feel comfortable. X-rays was done. I met with Dr. Utku. Oh, a wonderful, wonderful doctor. An orthodontist, actually. So he told me exactly what he was going to do about my teeth and how to make it wonderful like it is now. So we started from there, and a week later, I'm coming out with this. Absolutely glorious. Thank you, Dr. Utku, and thank you, Parla Clinic. Thank you, Fayed, for making all this happen. Smile. It's Parla time. Do me a favor and smile.